The stationary drilling method. Upright chopping strike. Left side. The left arm rises. Pay attention to pull back and drop the wrist, striking to the front. Do not be too low nor too high. Strike downwards. Pay attention as opposed to other chopping strikes. The heel of the palm is used to strike downward. When striking, the palm is even, then the wrist drops. At the same time, the other arm rises. Pay attention that the body maintains a concave chest, rounded back, and upright body, using the interchange of the legs and the dropping of the body to emit force. The stationary drilling method. Hacking chopping strike. Left side. The right arm presses down and the left arm rises. From outside of the left leg, the left arm strikes diagonally to the inside, executing a hacking chopping strike. The heel of the left palm is used to strike. The wrist is pulled back with force. When striking to the right, the left arm covers to the inside. The right arm rises and then executes a hacking chopping strike. The left hand is placed below and to the inside of the right elbow. The body is held upright. Pay attention that the arm does not extend too far when striking. The force of the strike should be diagonally downward. The stationary drilling method, reversing chopping strike, left side. When striking to the left, the waist first rotates to the left. The left arm from below the right arm strikes to the outside, executing the chopping strike. Pay attention to using the heel of the palm to strike. At the same time, the right hand is placed below the left elbow. When changing to the right, the left arm first rotates. The right arm from below the left arm chops to the right. Pay attention that the chest is concave, the back rounded, and the body is upright. The Gen Trigram Dragon system chopping strike is different than the chopping strikes of other animal systems. The heel of the palm and the hypothenar eminence are used to strike the opponent. There's the upright chopping strike, chopping from high to low. From here it is shaped a bit like the capturing strike. When striking, the wrist drops, creating a pounding force. The hacking chopping strike. This strike is like hacking with a sword. Where you strike the opponent is different with this strike. Also, there is the reverse chopping strike. With the different hand techniques, it is important to pay attention to the different forces. Sometimes the hand technique is the same, but the force is different. This chopping strike is different than the others in that the hand technique is different. The feeling and emission of force feels different as well. The striking surface is quite large. The strike should have an explosive and dispersing outward feeling. For example, chopping here, on the Churcha point, Shosanli above the elbow are all good. Chopping again. If the opponent blocks, chopping again and again. Chopping here, then here is also possible. Pay attention, you can also directly chop. If they block, chopping again. Exchanging chopping strikes in this way is also possible. Make sure you are chopping correctly. Chopping, also chopping the back here. The methods of chopping are many, as long as the palm shape is correct. Do not think that the strike has to hit a particular point. As long as the strike's force travels its path and the shape is correct, it will be effective. These are all the common uses of the chopping strike. As long as the force reaches the heel of the palm, it is correct. Also chopping the back. Chop, withdraw, and chop again. There are different techniques. If the opponent blocks, you can still chop in this way, or like this. Entering like this is one variation. Or transforming and entering. These are all possibilities. Chopping according to your ability to apply different techniques, the position of the opponent, and the opponent's ability to change. Here is another possibility. It is not important where you chop strike. Chopping here is fine. Then reverse chop upward. Hitting points on the opponent is more effective, and you will have a better result. From the 3 basic chopping strikes, one can choose from a variety of techniques to apply on an opponent.